You will need only 5 minutes to prepare this chicken salad. What it's going to be? It's going to be in cook I do it under the collection of babies, so don't worry, it's going to be a meal that can be eaten by small kids like toddlers or even adults. In my case, is what I'm going to do it today, like a salad. But you also have this chicken salad, like a sandwich in a toast or with avocado. This kind of fresh, and you can eat it. You can enjoy warm or cold. In this case, I did it cold. I prefer it. And what is going to happen? You are going to add in the machines the carrots, the zucchinis. The machine is going to chop. After, remember to add the breast chicken, like is 5 centimeters, no bigger than that. They are going to cook. After the 15 minutes, it's going to shred. Then you will add a little mayonnaise, wine vinegar, and oregano. The machine is going to mix together and it's ready so you can enjoy. Please let me know if you have tried before, and please continue using your Thermomix. If you have any question, let me know, and if you prepare, please also let me know. Thank you very much. Bye bye.